It's Margarita, and we are going back to my favorite fragrance house, Krigler. For those of you who are lucky enough to live in an area where there is a Krigler store, you know what this bag symbolizes. Oh my God, yes. I've been shopping. I'm in Chicago, so we do have a store here. Sorry for the crinkling of the paper, but I was just so excited to show y'all. It's been a while since I've done a Krigler video, but I had to break down and go take a visit to my favorite store at the Peninsula Hotel. And I got some goodies. Now, interestingly enough, this was one of the first fragrances that I smelled from Krigler, and I did not like it when I smelled it about a year or so ago. But I went back and smelled it again, and I fell in love, and I had to buy it. Which one, you wonder? Well, I'll give you a hint. Audrey Hepburn, yes, the lady from Breakfast at Tiffany's, wore this as her signature scent. And now it has been added to my collection. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a second. Nope, not that one. Nope, not that one either. It's number 19, English Promenade. I bought the big bottle. This is the only bottle that I have that is a full 100 ml size out of my entire Krigler collection, and it's a big collection. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a collection review. I'd love to do that, but I only want to do it if you're going to watch it. But yes, English Promenade number 19. It's just a beautiful floral that's got some sweetness to it. For some reason, it smelled soapy to me last year. I don't know if my nose has developed differently since then, but now I'm like, where have you been all my life? But yes, this is just a beautiful fragrance, and also it is very unisex. My husband loved this instantly when I brought it home, and so now I'm glad I bought the big bottle because I had a feeling he was going to like it too. But let's read the notes. You've got grapefruit, jasmine, neroli, orange blossom, orange flower, white musk, and ylang ylang. So yes, this is a citrus floral, and it's beautiful. It's juicy. And what's great about it is this has jasmine, and I don't hate it. For those who follow this channel, you know me and jasmine are not friends. Jasmine pulls very salty on me. Oddly enough, jasmine is one of my husband's favorite florals. Jasmine and neroli are his two notes. And so this has both. So yes, I have to hide this bottle from him. I've only had this a few days, and you see there's already a dent, right? It's not from me. So gentlemen, do not be off-put by this being marketed as a feminine fragrance. It is very unisex. It is fresh. It is clean. It is juicy. It is yummy. I like this a lot. And I'm so glad that I gave it another try. I almost didn't. The sales associate at the store, she actually told me to just try it again. And I don't know if she sprinkled some pixie dust or something on it, because this does not smell like I remember it smelling last year. Not sure if there's been a reformulation, but typically they don't do that in houses like this. They like to leave things as they were. This was originally introduced in 1919. The way that Krigler does their numbering is from the year that it was introduced. If you see a 2 in front of it, that means it came out in the 2000s and something like that. So this was 1919, and it smells wonderful. Even for it to be 100-year-old fragrance, it doesn't smell old lady. This smells borderline edible, like a starburst, but like a refined starburst, like the good kind you don't want to really touch. Just want to say you have it. But yeah, this is great. It's great to wear to work. It's a wonderful wedding scent. If you are looking for something that is inoffensive but will still stand out, English Promenade 19 is for you. Also, if you don't know, I also decant Krigler fragrances because I do have a large collection. If you want to try some samples from Krigler, I am happy to decant some. You can go to my website, whistlenotes.com, and you can order decants of this and many of the other fragrances that I have reviewed. So if you have a fragrance that you want to try, you don't want to buy a full bottle, you can check my collection online at whistlenotes.com and see if I have it. I ship to all 50 states. And I ship very fast. But let me know, have you tried English Promenade? Gentlemen, do you wear it? Ladies, do you like to smell this on a man? Also, what Krigler fragrances would you like to see me review? I'm happy to put a video together for anything that I may have or anything I'm curious about. Any reason to go shopping, right? But until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.